In machine learning, we have set of samples. We also call it documents. So it's a 2D, it's a table kind of a structure where there is row and there is column. So row is like row are documents or samples where the columns are features. Okay. So in machine learning, what is the partial derivation? What is the partial derivative of dot product of two documents? Okay, so if there are two documents and suppose a document U and document V, then each document is kind of each document vector has components as per the features. If feature is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to M, so then U1, U2, U3 up to 1M is the component of U vector, and V1, V2, V3, Vm is the components of V vector. What is the partial derivative of dot product of two document vectors in machine learning? So this is the question. Okay, what is derivative? Means what is a differentiation? I have a variable called x. X is independent variable. I mean, it varies independently. It is not dependent upon anything. Now, there is a function called fx. Fx. X is independent variable. Whatever is generated through fx is dependent upon x. What is dfx by dx? Differentiation of fx with respect to x. What is that? So that is unit of change, means number of unit that is changing in fx when one unit of change is happening in x. Dfx by dx. If one unit of change is seen in x, then how many units of change will be seen in fx? So that is dfx by dx. What about dfxy? X and y are two independent variables. Then fxy means fx comma y is a function. It is called multivariable function. It is called multivariate function. Since it is dependent upon two variables, x and y, two independent variables. We will talk about independence. Okay, that is another history. Okay, so there are two independent variables, x and y, and there is a multivariate function fx comma y, fxy. Then how much fxy would change with respect to change in x? That is partial derivation of the multivariate function. So dfxy, dfx comma y, dfxy by dx. If there is one unit of variation in x, that is partial derivative with one of the independent variables, then how much fxy would change? So that is the straightforward question.